Today I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup of your HP DeskJet 2732 all-in-one printer. So that will be, we are going to connect it with your home or office Wi-Fi network. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. Wait for the display screen to work, all the readings to come on the display panel here. Once your display screen is ready, now we press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button for 3 seconds together. 1, 2, 3. Now release it. You will see the power button starts to flash and it will stop flashing after a few seconds, and the wireless button will start to flash. That will be the blue light. So this means your printer has entered into the setup mode, and now we will go on our iPhone or Android device and open the setting. Go to the Wi-Fi setup. Now look for the printer's setup here, that is HP setup DeskJet 2700 series. Click on it and your Wi-Fi network will connect it with the printer's Wi-Fi. Now go and open the HP Smart app. You can download the app from the App Store. Now on the top you will see plus button, click on that. Now we need to click on the add printer button, and then you will see set up a new printer. It says turn on the Bluetooth for setup, so we have to turn on the Bluetooth as well and switch it on. Now go back and open the HP Smart app again. So here you will select the name of the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. Now enter the password on the continue button. Now it says press the information button on the printer's display panel. So that is the white flashing light you can see here. So press it once. In the end you will see it says the printer connected to Wi-Fi, and click on continue. Click on continue and it will take to the HP site where you can actually create your HP account. Now go back and we can skip it. Now load the paper and go ahead and click on the continue button. Now open the output tray. Now skip this section, and now it says if you want you can send this information to other devices as a link. We skip this as well. Now in the final you will see this screen, it says setup complete, let's print. If you want you can just print now, otherwise you can click on the skip printing page. So setup is complete, all done. Click on that. In the end we will see the printer is available on the screen and it displays the amount of ink left. Now for a test I'll show you the scanning. So click on the printer scan button in the app. Now open the printer's top panel and place a page facing downwards on the right hand side. Go to your device and click on the blue icon for scanning. Here we see like it has started to scan and to transfer it to your iPhone. Once scanning is finished you will see the page like it displays here. Now we can save it, or if we want we can print, or if we can share as well. So that's the easiest way we can connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of our home and office. Thanks for watching.